Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. Welcome to an episode where we are looking for specific letters. You can call it Where's Waldo Arabic Character Edition. In this case, what we're doing is we're going over the last verse of Surah Al-Fath, which is the smallest verse that has all the letters of the Arabic alphabet in an entire verse, and it fits perfectly right here, as you can see behind me. And so today we are going to be looking for a special letter. This letter looks like another letter, but it's a little bit different. So today, the letter that we're going to be looking at is not seen, but Sheen. Hey, so have you seen the Sheen? Because the difference between this and the scene is have you seen the scene, whereas this is it's a Sheen. Now, this video is not about how to pronounce the letter. It's always good to know. That might be a video series for another day. But in today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking to learn how to identify what this thing looks like, what this letter looks like. This letter Sheen is essentially a scene. It is essentially a scene with 3 dots on top. So this scene got hungry. It didn't want a taco, but it wanted 3 toppings, and so it became a Sheen. And so how does the Sheen look like in the beginning? Well, in the beginning, it'll look just like a scene, but with the 3 dots on top, and therefore it becomes a Sheen. Same thing, just like in the middle, right? It'll have the binoculars with the 3 dots on top. Or in the end, it'll have the binoculars with 3 dots on top attached to a big bowl of soup. So you may get a taco with a fold inside with 3 toppings and a bowl of soup. And so, but it's an empty bowl because there's nothing in it. So because you drank it all already because you're so hungry, just like I am right now. But unfortunately, you're probably watching this and it's Ramadan, probably the first day of Ramadan in terms of when this video is going to be dropping. So I apologize if I'm mentioning tacos and toppings and soups and whatever. But anyway, so this is the video in which we'll be going over the letter Sheen. So let's work towards identifying the letter Sheen. Remember, it looks like a scene, but with the 3 dots on top. So let's get started. First letter here, keep going. Do we see a Sheen? Have you seen the scene? Have you seen the Sheen? There you go. There's a Sheen. This one is a Sheen from the beginning, just like that. Let's keep going. Any more Sheens? Have you seen the Sheen? Have you seen the Sheen? The Sheen. I am going to start mixing up my sounds, so let's just pretend like I didn't say that. Is that a Sheen? It's got 3 dots on top. No, that's the number. That's the letter 3. 3, therefore. Oh, by the way, why am I saying therefore? Just a note. This is Sheen, but there's another letter that has 3 dots on top. That's the letter 3. It's basically a taco, but instead of 2 toppings, it's got 3 toppings. Or if you're a math nerd, you might just look at that and be like, yo, that's a symbol for therefore. However, the difference between this and this, as you can see, is clearly different. One is a boat or a taco with 3 toppings. The other one is a scene with 3 dots on top. And so therefore, it's going to look very different. So if you see something just like this here has got 3 dots, but it is not a Sheen. And you might mistake it like, hey, you know what, there's a bump in there in the middle, and that's okay. That bump is not very prominent. It's not a binocular bump. That's the thing you got to look for. Is it, can you look through it? Can you look through it with the 3 dots on the top of your head, right? And so if you can't do that, therefore it is not a Sheen. And so if you can do that, if you can look through it, it's got the 3 dots on you, just like that, therefore it is a Sheen. And so let's keep going. Are there any Sheens? Did I skip a line? I think I might have skipped a line. Let's just go back one. Are there any Sheens on this line? I don't see any more Sheens. No, it's not a Sheen, that's a 3. Keep going. And that's a 3. Keep going. Any more Sheens? Let's see here. Any more Sheens? There we go. See it right there. This guy right here, we've got the binoculars with the 3 dots on top. Bam! So keep going. Any more Sheens? There's a scene. There's a scene. And there's a scene. We're not looking for scenes. We're looking for Sheens. Like a Like there's a brand name called Sheen. There's a people who have a name Sheen. But this is the letter Sheen. Keep going. Any more Sheens? That's it. There's no more Sheens. At least I didn't find any more Sheens. Are there any more Sheens that on this passage that I may have missed? Let me know down in the comments below. If I got them all, let me know how many are there? How many Sheens did you count? Tally it up. Let me know in the comments below. In the meantime, I would suggest that get yourself a copy of this Mus'haf. If you don't have a Mus'haf, you don't have a big giant Mus'haf either, you have a small one, that's cool. If not, just go to Quran.com and you can just go ahead and look up this passage. It is on page 515 of the Uthmanic Codex, and or the Medina Mus'haf, however you want to call it. But Surah Al-Fath, verse 29, you could just Google it and you'll see this passage. Tally it up yourself. Let me know down in the comments below. I'll see you soon.